Hey friends, this isn't the video that I planned to do today. When I started this van build, I honestly thought by now it would look like one of those beautiful, fully finished YouTube builds, you know, with custom cabinets and beautiful shiplap walls, hidden compartments, and clever storage everywhere. But those are the kind of builds that make you want to pack up and move out and get on with your life on the road. Mine just doesn't look like that. But don't get me wrong, I've made progress. The ceiling is getting there, framing is coming together, but this is not the perfectly curated build that I pictured. If I'm being honest, it messes with my head a little bit. You see so many vans online that look flawless. And then there's me trying to figure out how to build cabinets with a borrowed saw, dealing with walls that don't fit the way that I want, and realizing that the ceiling still needs trim that I haven't figured out how I'm gonna do yet. Every time I fix one problem, I seem to discover more. Some days I wonder if it'll ever feel done. I thought because I've done home renovations before, I remodeled a house for crying out loud, that this would be a breeze. But a house doesn't have curved walls, limited power tools, or even a garage space. That's what I had at my old house. Or a roof that I was too terrified to cut into myself. Shout out to Garvey Auto Body for saving my skin on that one. But you know what no one tells you? And you probably already know this. YouTube makes it look easy, but this is my reality. It's messy, it's slow, and sometimes it's completely overwhelming, but it's still mine. And every crooked cabinet or imperfect cut means I'm learning and pushing through it anyway. Plus, Sharpie doesn't care if the cabinets are level. So if you're watching this and you're in your own messy middle, trying to figure things out, whether that's building a van, starting a business, or figuring out the next chapter, you're not alone. We don't talk enough about this part. I think it's where the real story happens. If you're here for a pretty Pinterest build, you might be disappointed. But if you're here for the real journey, welcome to Miles to Myself. Hit that subscribe button and let's keep building, one imperfect cabinet at a time. Thanks for watching.